Hi everybody, I just wanted to show you a quick video on how I cover my vegetables that I planted already. These are my peas I planted. We're supposed to be getting a frost here in Woodstock tonight. I think it's supposed to be below 28, I think. So if you have any of these plastic containers that you can use, it's very quick, very easy. All you have to do is just cover them. Like that. And then I'll basically push some soil up around the edges so they don't blow away. It's pretty windy here. And that will protect them enough overnight. And then in the morning I can just take it off. Another thing that would work is vases. Like if you have any old vases you could put over them. Just make sure that the edges are completely covered by the soil, and that will protect them through the night. I hope this was helpful, and I'll post something showing you what they look like tomorrow. All right, thank you so much.